Alright, welcome to another Beer-Gineers beer review. I'm out. And this time, I've got another beer from Weekend Project, which is called Milford Sound. It's a New Zealand IPA coming in at 6.5%. It's like a fjord in New Zealand. I think I've been there, actually. Very beautiful place, when I remember. Right down the bottom of New Zealand, I think. Anyway, that's the can. What to say? They're saying about hops. So, Nectron and Superdelic. That's basically what hops in it. Not sure I've come across Superdelic before. It's a New Zealand hop, I assume. Right. Let's give this a go then. Right, so, as you expect, well, no, it doesn't say it was New England IPA, it's New Zealand IPA. I suppose they're generally hazy as well. It's a sort of pale yellow, nice enough creamy head, fairly big, that could be the glasses, no, almost like that's 2 fingers, I'd give it. Nose on it. Not a lot, really. So you can criticize the head. I guess it's like citrusy. I suppose it's not like mango or pineapple or something like that. Let's just say tropical. Citrus and tropical, that's what I'm getting out of that. Yeah, well, that's actually, I got orange. That's what it is. It's like a orange or tangerine, that sort of thing. Satsuma, one of those. Okay, well, let's get into it. See what the story is. Sláinte. Yeah, I'm getting orange, and it's like orange and tropical fruit, really. Yeah, and it's like a slight bitterness to the end of it. Not getting much fizz out of it. Let me see. There is a bit of fizz to it, a bit of carbonation. It's a nice enough like mouthfeel, and it's a bit of body to it. It's all right. It's not blowing my head, blowing my mind away with the tasty, lots of taste out of it. It's like a slightly juicy concoction of orange and various tropical fruits, really, but not. They're subtle. It's not punchy. And then there's almost like a light hint of like a West Coast bitterness at the end of it. That's all right. I wouldn't, if someone gave it to me, it's not a tank pour, that's for sure. And I'm going to give that 6.5. Yeah, I'll go with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Cheers.